Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install the patch for eFootball 2025 mobile to unlock new features like updated kits, emblems, and the UEFA Champions League patch. Let's get started. First, you need to download the patch file. I've got the link ready in Notepad. Let me copy it. Now, I'll open Google and paste it here. Once the MediaFire page appears, just click the download button and the file will start downloading. After the download is complete, open Zarchiver or any file manager, locate the downloaded file and extract it to your Android data folder. Now, install the patch APK. Don't worry, you don't need to uninstall eFootball 2025 mobile. Just install this patch over your existing game. Once installed, open the game and log in using your Konami account to keep your progress. Now, you'll see the latest updates, including the UEFA Champions League content. And that's it. You've successfully installed the eFootball 2025 mobile patch. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.